Bullish Bitcoin money. BCH cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $563.91 and $1,065.17 by 2030. Market experts accept BCH could reach $438.60 by 2025. Bearish Bitcoin money market cost expectation for 2023 is $100.25. Bitcoin money. BCH presentation. One of the most well-known forks of the first Bitcoin network is Bitcoin money. The thought for the cryptographic money was roused by despondency with where Bitcoin was taking, which was away from Satoshi Nakamoto's unique arrangement for it to work as a computerized cash. The formation of Bitcoin money, what works more like a cash than a store of significant worth, lighted a wild debate between defenders of Bitcoin and other people who felt that Bitcoin should have been ready to exchange all the more rapidly and inexpensively. Close to this time, a purported nationwide conflict broke out, with allies of Bitcoin money dismissing Bitcoin and proclaiming it to, as of now, not be the genuine Bitcoin. Then, at that point, in August 2017, Bitcoin money was made because of a fork. It had a promising start, however has encountered strife from that point forward. Despite the fact that Bitcoin money is intended to be a more valuable cash, fans of digital currencies regularly put resources into it. The coin's cost has the common market unpredictability, yet many individuals accept its future will be more brilliant and will offer more noteworthy benefit in the next long stretches of time. What is Bitcoin money, BCH? In spite of the fact that it isn't the most established, Bitcoin money is one of the greatest and most popular forks of the digital currency. Not long before Bitcoin accomplished its past all-time high of $20,000 toward the finish of 2017, Bitcoin money was created. It extended the size of the blocks in the chain to empower more exchanges to rapidly be handled more. It's fascinating to take note of that the digital currency split into Bitcoin money ABC and Bitcoin money SV in November 2018. Satoshi Vision. This shows an eagerness to keep Bitcoin and digital currencies overall advancing. But BCH's forking was essentially inspired by Bitcoin's 1 MB block size limitation. Since blocks couldn't oblige the expansion in size for exchanges stacked up and hung tight for affirmation. Accordingly, Bitcoin money proposed making blocks between 8 MB and 32 MB in size, considering the handling of additional exchanges per block. In a Bitcoin block, there are ordinarily somewhere in the range of 1,000 and 1,500 exchanges. 25,000 exchanges for every block were recorded on the Bitcoin money network during a pressure test in September 2018. The person behind this fork, Roger Ver, has been advancing the idea that Satoshi Nakamoto, who created Bitcoin, was liable for having a computerized money that could work under pressure. The adjustment of Bitcoin's block size, according to Ver and defenders of Bitcoin money, will make it feasible for clients to involve Bitcoin as a mechanism for ordinary exchanges and allow it an opportunity to rival huge MasterCard handling organizations like Visa that charge excessive expenses to handle worldwide exchanges. Bitcoin money. BCH specialized investigation cost likewise fell under another lower low after a negative breakout from the sideways channel, confirming a downtrend. Close the $100 support. It is oversold. RSI 30, proposing a potential passage point for a swing exchange. There is a declining propensity on all time scales, including short, medium, and long haul. MACD line is over the MACD signal line. Bullish, yet RSI is under 45. In this way energy is blended, negative. The MACD histogram bars are waning, which could show a deficiency of energy. Overall volume is level, implying that it varies similarly on wild days. Thus the harmony among purchaser and vendor interest and supply is accomplished. Backing and opposition. $100 is the nearest backing zone. $150, earlier help, is the nearest obstruction zone, trailed by $200, $280, and $340. Bitcoin money is as of now worth $125.31 United States dollars. BCH has moved 0.40% as of now with an exchanging volume of $187,159,210. Bitcoin money is at present position 28 among all digital currencies, with a market capitalization of $2,587,995,977 United States dollars. Using the overall strength record, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal combination uniqueness, MACD, from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Bitcoin money. BCH. To conclude, whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize constant Bitcoin money, BCH, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market movement. Bitcoin money, BCH, value forecast 2023. Bitcoin money, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. BCH. The BCH cost figure for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $187.97. Similarly, as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be progressive, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $175.44 in cost is very aggressive, however it is doable soon, given expected coordinated efforts and headways. BCH is supposed to have a base worth of $150.38. Bitcoin money, BCH, value expectation 2024 of every 2024. Bitcoin money BCH cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of BCH will before long outperform $313.28. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the BCH's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, BCH will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $250.63 and a typical exchanging cost of $275.69. Bitcoin money, BCH, value forecast 2025, assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $438.60, and BCH might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. BCH is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $401 and a low of $375.94 in 2025. Bitcoin money, BCH, value expectation 2026, assuming Bitcoin money effectively helps market opinion among digital currency devotees, the BCH coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, BCH will be green in 2026. The BCH is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $563.91, with a base cost of $501.25 and a typical cost of $526.32. Bitcoin money, BCH, value expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the BCH cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $651.63 by 2027. With a base cost of $626.57 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, BCH has a greatest value worth of $689.22. Bitcoin money, BCH, value forecast